Hi YouTube! It's been a while since I've done a video. Today, since I had time and it was such a beautiful day, I decided to get crazy with the makeup. So, I did this look based on these tropical little birds. They're cute. I thought it would be fun. This is what I came up with. We have, obviously, the blue and the orange on his head, and then it goes into the green and the darker greens onto his tail, and then it comes back down from underneath on his belly, and that's how it is. And then I was gonna try to do like a red lip fading into a yellow, but I guess I'm not that talented. So I just did a coral lip color in the middle and red on the outside. So I lined my lips with red, did coral liner on the inside, and then coral lipstick and red lipstick. So it kind of looks a little cool. For my lashes, you can't really see, but they're actually blue and green. Green on the lower, blue on the top. So enjoy watching this video. Let me know what you think, and if you have any requests, that's cool too. So thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so what we're gonna do to start, I already primed my lid. You can use whatever prime you want. I just primed all of it and underneath too, because we're going to be doing all of this, and if you're gonna go to a party or whatever, we want it to stay, so do that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Cottage Cheese, and I'm going to use this as my highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and put that underneath my brow. Just like that. And it looks scary right now, but go ahead and take your fingers and just blend that out. Once you're done with that, take a small eyeshadow brush like this one and just pick up your favorite white highlight and put that over. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take a color that's very close to your skin tone. Take a big fluffy brush like this one and just work that into your crease and a little bit onto your brow bone. Here's the fun part. Take your Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil from NYX. Now we're going to start shaping this. I'm going to go ahead and just color in your lid. So take it from underneath, right there. And I'm going to go ahead and just like that, and color that in. So we're good with that. Now we're going to take our NYX eyeshadow base white pot with a small eyeliner brush. Make sure this is completely wiped off. We're going to go into that white pot, put it all over the brush, and then underneath the eye. And now we can start making little feathers, okay? Just like that, okay? So there we go. we have this fun white mess to start creating some amazing, beautiful things. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, clean off your brush, and I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to blend the top out of it, just lightly tapping, lightly tapping. Like I'm barely doing anything right now. Just like that, okay? Just so it's not all nasty up there and rigidly lined, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start from tail to inner corner. The reason why I do that is because orange and blues, they don't mix well together, so we're kind of like color blocking a little bit. So I'm going to take that small eyeliner brush again after you've cleaned it off, and I'm going to take a dark green. The dark green that I used is from this palette that I got off of Amazon. It's the darkest green in the palette. Right here. If you have this, you'll know because it's the darkest green. It has a little bit of glitter in it. So we're just going to pick up that color and we're going to start following our little flicks. That brush. And now we're going to take our small eyeshadow brush again, and we're going to pick up like a bright lime green. So, like this one, you can't really see it. Alright. Any lime green that you want to do. And just tap it. Just like that. Good? Good. Alright. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a dark blue with a small little brush. This is used to like put underneath the eye and smoke things out. So we're going to take a very dark blue, such as this one off of the same palette. I need to really know how to work this in the mirror. And we're going to put that right under here. And we're going to wing it out a little bit so it goes into the green. And careful not to touch this because the first time that I did this, I did that and I screwed it all up. You can always go back and fix it, but it's annoying. So once you winged it out a little bit, you want to bring it up again, like a little triangle, onto the top lid. Just a little though, don't go crazy with it. Unless you want to, that is. Then go ahead. Good, see? Alright, so now we're going to take our orange, very, very bright orange, with the small eyeshadow brush, which I have no idea where I put it. Oh, right here. Okay, this really, really bright orange on that palette. Pick up that color, and then we're going to start patting. Orange and the green because that's not going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a really bright yellow and put that in between the green and the orange. And that seems to make it flow a little bit nicer. So I'm going to go ahead and take that little small brush again, and I'm going to pick up a really bright yellow, like this one. Pick it up, and we're just going to dab it right in between there. just like that, and that kind of makes it go a little nicer. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take that really dark blue again. And I'm going to put it right here on my inner corner. If you take too much, just dab it off on your little tissue. And we're not going to blend this into the orange, we're just going to kind of pat it into it a little bit. Like that. They're not going to blend very nicely. But this bird, he doesn't blend either. He just kind of goes color after color. So it's okay. So go back into that bright orange again. And put it right after the blue underneath. Yellow that we used in between this one. And put that in your inner corner. Okay, so now that we have the yellow and all the colors underneath and every color, now we're gonna take some pigment pots with sparkles in them and as the same color and kind of go over them. So they're brighter and it's fun. So take that small eyeshadow brush and we're gonna take a bright yellow. And I'm just going to put this underneath. We're going to take a blue. And we're going to go ahead and put that on the blue on the inner corner. On underneath. Take pigment pot Pearl Mania from NYX, and this is it doesn't say the name of I'm sure it did when it had the packaging on it, but so I'm just going to take this go ahead and take another pigment pot from NYX, just bright a yellow, very, very light yellow, such as this one. It's very light, almost like a white color. I'm going to take a crease brush, pick up a little bit of that, and put it on the brow bone, into the crease a little, and we're just going to It's called Eye Shimmer Effect, number 8 from the Body Shop, and this kind of changes colors, and that's why I really like it. So we're going to pick some of that up and then fluff it from in. Take Sephora brand liner, this bright electric blue. It's called Blue Fantasy Fancy Blue. This is really nice because it's very pointed. Now we're going to make the line on top. So what you do is Do the same thing on the bottom. So some more blue, and we're just going to do some little streaks. I'm going to take a primer for your mascara, for your eyelashes. This one is from Sephora, and also curl your lashes before you do this. I'm not. Go into that same, a bright blue, so not the same blue, but blue like this one. Pick that up. And we're just gonna dab onto your eyelashes. Get a blue mascara too, but I tend, in my opinion, it doesn't show up as bright as I'd like it to. And I have a blue from the Body Shop, and I have a blue from Sephora, and the eyeshadow, I think it works a lot better. White, take a nice bright green. I took this one. But you can do this however you like. This is your look. And then go ahead and dab that green on. But there's your little birdie. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.